Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 5th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we're on the daily time frame. So on gold, I mean, very sideways for the last few days. Technically, it hasn't made an engulfing up yet, so there is definitely a chance that it does push down more. We do have a break of structure, and it has not, engulfed to the upside. So technically, the market flow and the trend is down on the daily. Now, I do have a couple possibilities. This could be a big one, two, three, four, five of A forming if it really is the big wave four on the weekly, or if it's just a pullback to this move right here, then this would be an A, this would be a B, and it would go down, make a C, and then potentially continue the uptrend several weeks from now. Either way, we would have down, up, down for one, two, three, or we would have down, up, down for an ABC. So it's really not that big of a deal yet to determine whether it's a wave B or whether it's a wave C. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, very sideways market. Like I was saying yesterday, it kind of looks like this is potentially like maybe like a wave A right here. This is a wave B, and hopefully it really is going to finally break to the upside, going up to the structure. Maybe like another three waves, maybe a five waves for like a wave C. Kind of almost looks like it's forming 333, so it may end up being a WXY, like a 333 pattern. But like I said, we have to be a little bit cautious with our bolus analysis because technically the daily is down. It broke structure to the downside, and it definitely hasn't engulfed up. So we do have to be a little bit of cautious in assuming that this is an A, B, C, or B, and that it really is going to continue the uptrend. A break of structure to the upside would definitely help confirm a decent move to the upside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.